How's it going, everybody? It's 2016 R6 coming back at you guys with another video. And today we are going to be talking about the LED glow. LED glow is who I use for my motorcycle app. I got two, one for my motorcycle and one for my truck. Before we get started, I'd just like to remind everybody to please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and also I will be doing a giveaway, so make sure you like that video. This is how the app looks. I have the multi-million color option with the Bluetooth control module box. You press the on button. As you can tell, I have two different colors, my tail section and my front section. As you can tell. And then I got them up underneath the tail as well. You got a circle and a plus. Mine is set up for the circle is for the front. As you can tell, I move this on the color spectrum. I can go anywhere. Then I go right here to this side button, and now I changed it to the plus. And then I could move it around, whatever color I land on, the bike goes to. You can control the brightness sensitivity, so you could control how bright you want the lights. They are bright, and then you control them going down dim. And then you control the other one by simply switching back to the other button. Right now it's in dual mode. You go to the settings, you could take it off dual mode. If you hook the blue wire on the control module box to your brakes, you can, all the lights will turn red when you do that. You could turn hazard lights on. So if you're parked on the side of the road at nighttime, you have your amber lights. Now we're back in single color mode. Now we could do fade. Right now there's no two colors to fade from, so we'll put it back in dual mode. And then you could do fade, and we'll go fast. Alright, now then we could go do opposite fade. Color fade opposite. Do fade colors with the strobes. Do multi-million mode with strobes. So right now it's gonna flash through all the colors. You could strobe the front from the back. That is strobe opposites. This is fade with light strobe. So you can see it's blue and then it's fading to the white through the strobes. You can make it fast, you can make it slow. And then go back to solid color. This is fading with the colors, so you can see it's going one, and it's fading between the front and back with colors. You know, I did not go with a cheap LED kit. The reason why, you hear people's stories about the cheap China ones could catch on fire, lights caught on fire. I spent the money, everything's plug in and play. The downfall is sometimes you got a lot of extra wires, so you just gotta run and hide them. As you can tell, everything is nicely hidden, other than you got some wires right here where they fade up underneath. I got them fading up underneath there. Everything's ran. I got wires on top of my heat shield right here, and I got wires in my trunk, and the splitter boxes are there. So overall, I've loved this kit. I would highly recommend this kit to anybody who's getting LED glow. I'll put a link in the description on where you can buy it. They come in different packages. If you want solid colors, it's cheaper. If you want the multi-million colors, it's a little bit more expensive. If you want the Bluetooth module box, it's more expensive. Regardless of the fact, they come with a remote. But with the remote, you cannot control as much as you can with the app. It comes with a 4-button remote that looks like this. You could hold the D button, that turns it off, back on. You could hit the A button, will change the front color. The B button will change the back. And if you press and hold them, then they will do their thing on different strobes and modes. But you don't get as many modes as you can through the app, and it just makes it easier. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like bike lights, give it a thumbs up. If you're local to Connecticut, I can install them for you. You could just comment below. I did all the wiring myself. The only mod I did not do to this bike myself was a cat delete, because I didn't have the tool to cut the stock cat off. So I just had the guys over at Toast Performance in South Windsor do that for me. I live about 8 minutes from there, so they got me right in. The day that I came, I messaged them for the pipe. Didn't have one. They made it immediately for me. I brought the bike down the next day. They installed it. Quick, super service. So if you do not know how to do a cat delete on your bike, bring it to them. They got good techs. Super easy to work with. Quick, easy service. Once again, it's 2016 R6. Please like and subscribe. And I hope this video was helpful for anybody who was thinking about getting LED glows for their bike. And I hope this tutorial video, product review video, helped you guys make a decision on buying this kit. Like I said, the links will be in the description for different modules, different boxes, and different packages, because you could get 6 lights, 12 lights, 18 lights, I think. It goes all the way up to like 30 lights. Right now I have, I think, 18 to 20 lights. Just remember, the more wires you have, sometimes the more bundle of wires you get in hidden areas, like underneath my seat, underneath my power commander. I got a good chunk of wires on top of my heat shield underneath my tank. I got another set of wires. Those are just places where they're out of view, where you can hide them. I zip tie mine up per color for what side. So I got my notes, like red would be front left fairing, white would be front, blue zip tie would be this side, right fairing, left fairing. Then all underneath the tail was separate colors, so that way I know if one of the light happens to run out, I could look at my notes and figure out what color zip tie I would have to run to undo to get to my lights. So I highly recommend doing that to help keep your bike organized if you do it yourself. But other than that, it's a wonderful kit. I always had compliments everywhere I go. I like to be seen. I like to be lit up. And That's that. Until next time, I will be recording another video. And so until next time, have a nice day. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting.